Join us for our Old Key West 2-bedroom suite room tour. All right, so this is our room tour at Old Key West. We're in room 2112, and because of my dad with the wheelchair, we're in a handicap accessible. So they actually have like a little ramp that goes up. We're on the very first floor. And this is kind of the view. We've already settled in a little, so our stuff's kind of all over the place. But this is the view walking in. There is a little, I'm gonna zoom out. Just a little. This is kind of like a little closet when you first walk in. And then this is a little like ledge for your keys and stuff to set into. I don't have any of the lights on in the hallway. Then going this way towards the master suite, here is the laundry that's available. My mom did bring this with, so that's not provided by Disney or anything, but they do provide you with this generic kind of laundry detergent. And then washer and dryer are here. I think this is the dryer. Yeah, it's the dryer. And then the washing machine. So it's pretty large ones. And then coming this way, they've got a little picture of the Florida Reefs. Making sure this room is clear. All right. So going into the master, flip all the lights on here. There's a fan on the ceiling. And my children are running around in circles currently. And then because of the handicap accessibility, that's what these are for, to open and close the drapes. But we are right on the golf course. Out here is the room, the doorway from the master to the little porch that's outside. There's a dresser, TV. The bed is a little bit lower to the ground, so it's easier to get in and out for handicapped people, which will be nice for my dad, because the last hotel we just stayed at, the bed was so tall. They have a couple lights. Now, there's no USB plugins by the nightstands, for those of you who are wondering that. And then this is like a little peekaboo door into the bathroom. So this, I don't think this is normal, but this is like a doorway, a sliding door. And then this is the closet in the master. Extra blankets, pillows. But there's lots of closets throughout to put like suitcases and things like that. And then here's, my mom's kind of settled in a little. Here's some of the jetted tub, counter for your sink. And then this is also a sliding door to get into the bathroom. No, those are not the light switches for that. Oh, there we go. There we go. So then we have another bathroom counter, towels stored underneath, hair dryer included. And then because this is handicap accessible, there's no like step in. It's a pretty wide tub. It has like the adjustable shower head to where you can like take it down and like get yourself all over, and like a little retractable bench thing to kind of sit on while you're in the shower if you can't handle standing for a long period of time. And then handrails by the toilet area. So it's nice because it helps my dad out. He has a really bad hip, and dementia, so we can't let him have one of those rideable things, wheelchairs either. So then going into the second bedroom of this is a 2-bedroom. As you can see, we kind of moved in a little bit, but I thought this was cute. They have some of the places that how many miles away it is and that sort of thing from Key West to here. Tortuga always reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean. And then this room has 2 windows. So one of them looks out to the parking lot, which is this one, and then the other one looks out to the golf course, which is this one. And there's a golfer who has already lost a golf ball. So it does make me wonder if these windows are shatterproof for golf balls. But there are 2 queen-size beds, and then my daughters have kind of moved in over here. It does not appear, there's just an outlet back here. So it doesn't appear that they've really upgraded this to be up to times in regards to the whole USB plug-in thing, but I've bought a power strip. And then this is one of, I think, 2 closets in this room. So we have this closet here, which I'm sure is going to end up being a little fort for the girls. There's a little dresser for putting some of your stuff. There is a TV in here. And then here is the second closet. So this will probably be where I store all of our suitcases once we get everything unpacked. So you're not tripping over suitcases in this room. And then little hand wash sink to get ready outside of bathroom. And then there's a mirror on the door. Sorry, my daughter's potty seat's there. That doesn't come with, especially since it's Paw Patrol and not Disney related. There's a hair dryer, some towels, extra toilet paper, another hand wash or get ready sink, and then they have the H2O glow or whatever the stuff is, the sea salt scented. Hello. Mirror, a little bit of artwork. There is like a little window to get some natural light. And then they have the bolted down shampoos, conditioner, and body wash in the shower here, along with a little nook to put some of your own personal stuff if you use specific showers. And then the tub, it has a little bit of a no skid thing on the bottom, which is nice. And I could check water pressure. This looks like a nice shower. Yeah. So this is like a nice strong stream of water. Ooh, got a little on my camera there. Nice strong stream of water coming out, and it's already getting warm. So I'm probably gonna enjoy this. I hate it when you go to a hotel and it's like you can't get the soap off your body because the water isn't that strong. Behind the door is just some more towels and a little hanger thing. All right, so coming out of our room here is the living space. My dad's chilling on the couch. The reason, so we stayed here back in January. We did a trip where it was like over New Year's Eve, and we stayed at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and those rooms are nice and it's cool because you have the animals and stuff, but it felt a little bit more cramped. These, you could definitely tell it was built to feel like home. So they have the big TV here. They have a table. I have the wide angle on this to kind of give you more of an effect of it, but the room is very spacious. It looks like it's going to be nice and light in the morning. Technically, I believe this here is a pull-out bed, and then the couch that my dad is sitting on is also a pull-out bed. So you can get so you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 people sleeping in this room if you wanted.
You can watch the golfers outside.
Yeah, and the golfers, literally when I walked in, there was a guy and I'm wondering if that was his ball outside of my room door. They come right up to the thing because we're on the first floor. When we stayed here in January, we were on the 3rd floor, I believe. So it was a little hard for my dad to get up and down the stairs. So we asked for a handicap accessible room. But we're right here on the golf course. Little table and chairs, have breakfast outside in the morning. But there was a little golfer right up here looking for his ball that he lost. And then here is a little storage space. So we brought along waters because water's like $5 a bottle at the parks. And I'm not one where I have to have a specific brand. So I just bought Ice Mountain, I think. And then there is more storage if you so desire. Now, I'm not sure how much people like bring their own food here and stuff. We didn't bring anything to like make. We might go buy like a couple frozen pizzas or something, but lots and lots of storage here. And then the other cool thing is a full-size refrigerator and like a little half freezer. So you can put bottles of water in there, bring them to the park. They're frozen, and then by the time they thaw, you know, they're ready to drink. My mom stopped at Gideon's already. I haven't tried any of the stuff yet. And then here is, so we did bring a few things in our cooler there. And then we have a stove here. They provide like pots and pans, spatulas. That's just empty. That's also empty. Toaster, coffee maker. You get some of the Most Magical Celebration 50th Anniversary coffee if you're staying here through March. I don't know, maybe and beyond. I'm not sure. Plates and things to bake with are provided, and the silverware is underneath here. And then they do, I think, give you soap. Oh, a cheese grater if you want to grate your own cheese for pasta or something. Cups and wine bottles, little juice cups in there. And then a microwave and a dishwasher. And housekeeping, if you don't wash your own dishes, they will put those in the dishwasher at the end of the thing. And then there's a little shelving area. My mom's unpacked all of her cereals that she bought and stuff already as well. So that's the tour of the room. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested to see what it looks like to be in a handicap accessible room at Old Key West, this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. So a little something I just found out. Don't know if this is just for DVC resorts or if it's resort wide. But at Legoland, they had like Legoland movies on demand. I could not get it to like play the movies by clicking the movie, but they also had a channel that just literally played the 3 of Lego movies like back to back to back to back to back. Well, I was turning on the TV to just kind of relax this morning for a minute, and they have Disney on demand here. So bravo Disney for jumping on that wagon. And then like this is some of the stuff they have available. So the Magical Anniversary Story. Oh, they have Happily Ever After fireworks. Hey, present day me here. I went through a whole spiel on this clip and found out I was partially wrong. They have a few shows like Happily Ever After and The Goodnight Stories on demand. Most of the videos were clips that lasted like 1 or 2 minutes, and there was a taste of Disney Plus with some of the trailers of movies and shows that they have available. But there wasn't a whole lot you could just sit and watch for a long period of time. One of the things we did find was The Most Magical Story on Earth, and that was pretty interesting. This TV does connect to your personal devices, and I might try that on a future trip. But I'm just a little disappointed that they didn't have more on demand, especially with how much Disney pushes Disney Plus. I feel that would be a great way to get people into buying the service. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with me about Disney on demand, or if you've even stayed at Old Key West before. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it all the way through to the end. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!